Hi, welcome back to the final part 5 of how to cut and store your Lush products. Now I've only got one soap ballistic left. It's called the Angel's Delight soap. I'm in love with this soap. It is amazing. It smells like bubble gum and fruit and really good. So I can't wait to use this one a lot of the time. That's what it is. It's sweet tangerine and sweet orange. That would make sense. So this is what I'm going to store it in. There's Angel's Delight soap on it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to be sad to see this one go. I'm just going to cut straight down, and I'm actually going to make this way smaller than I had with all the others. So I just made a groove straight down there, and then on the side I'm just going to make 1, 2, 3. And then from that I'm just going to do that and then that. So it's going to get me a good maybe 8 pieces. So here we go. Right here. Cut down. It's actually really smooth, which you wouldn't expect from a bar of soap. So that broke off quite easily. This is what it looks like inside, just the same as the outside. That's actually a really good shot. Right there like that. Okay, gonna cut it down once more, because then it splits it into half. Okay, there we go. So we got 1, 2, 3, all broken up, and now I'm going to cut each down twice. So 1, 2. So already got 3 pieces of soap just from one little block. 1. Let that go in my nail. And 2. Seems the purple area is easier to cut. For some no reason that just seems easier. And the last one, now watch this very carefully. It's about thick, so about maybe 1.5 centimeters half thick. So straight there. 1. That was on an angle, I'm sorry. And 2. Now, some people like to leave them about yay big, but I don't know. I think I might chop every second, because you see here I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 out of it. 9 Angel Delight ones. I hope that got into shot. I'm using my iPhone. So yeah. Okay, so I think I'm just going to cut every second one down. So, cut. Oh, sorry, I got a pink one there. Cut. 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 And I think, as you can tell, I'm cutting more of the purples than I am of the pinks, just because for some no reason that's how they worked out, that they're bigger. Okay, cut. And just to throw in that one. Actually no, I'll throw in a real pink one. Sorry for my dogs. Okay. Oh, well done, Mish. It's full on colory, so I think no, change of plans. Sorry about my dogs. Shh. Okay, so I'm going to cut all of them down in halves. Sorry about this one. This one is taking longer than all the other videos, and I'm sorry about that, but it'll be worth it. Okay. So now, as you can tell, I have got all of them like that. Okay. So now for storage. Where is that? Here it is. that, my little circular tub. I'm just going to grab them and place them in. Now, look at that, if I can get it up. It's just like a shard. Others would have put this in more of a, what do you call it? Vase. But I'm going to put it just like that. Okay, so sorry about that. This has all been on my iPhone, so that's why it's probably like bad quality, I think. I hope it's not, but probably will be. Yes, so now this is, I'm just scanning them in order for you all. So this is my Angel's Delight. This is the most packed one, I'd say. I'd probably use it a lot too. Okay. That, there. A ballistic. Okay, I'm now going to spin this around to show you how it's set. There we go. As you can tell, I got my Titsy Totsy ballistic, my Sex Bomb ballistic, my Angel's Delight soap, my Dorothy bubble bar, and my Pop in the Bath bubble bar. All cut up and all stored neatly. Okay, so thank you for watching. If you wanted to know where I got this all from, as I had said, I got it from Lush. And to use the labels, to make the labels, sorry, I used a Dymo Letra tag. I've had this for a couple of years now, really good, and this is just the wrapping it came in. For any information, I've put most what I used into the description box. Okay, so remember, keep them out of the heat and the sun, and store them in a cool, moderately dark room, so like your bathroom, right next to your bathtub or shower or wherever. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.